Hey, how's it going, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome to my channel, honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll share to you guys some tips and the steps I do to make my nail art last longer. The first thing we have to consider is what base coat should we use. I usually use a peel-off base coat by OMG because I really want to keep my peelies and I paste them on a notebook. This peel-off base coat can last for more than a week, depending on how you manage or do things on a daily basis. It also depends on how you apply your nail polish, which I will explain in a bit. This peel-off base coat is water-based, therefore if you apply it alone on your nail and wait for it to dry, once you get water on your nails, it will also be washed away. But if you have a nail art over OMG's peel-off base coat, it could last more than a week. I sometimes use Caronia's nail hardener and base coat. I used this base coat every single time when I was starting to do nail art, and I guess it helped my natural nails to become stronger and harder. This base coat is not water-based. This can also make your nail last even longer. So, you're asking which one is better? Well, for me, if you're starting out and you have soft nails, I guess it's the best for you to use Caronia's nail hardener and base coat because this will surely help your nails to become stronger. Plus, it's not water-based, therefore it will surely last even longer. And if your nails are already hard and strong and you know how to deal with peel-off base coats, then why not use OMG's peel-off base coat? If you're wondering why we need base coats, well, here are some reasons. It prevents your nails from staining, especially when you use dark shades of nail polishes. It helps the nail polish to adhere better. It helps your nail polish to last longer. Now let's move on to the steps. First step I usually do is to start my nail care routine before starting a new nail art. But if you don't do a nail care routine, that's completely fine. But to those who want to do it, let me share to you my nail care routine for 2019. I'm applying Caronia's Quick Dry and Cuticle Conditioner onto all of my nails and letting it to soak for a minute or two. Oh, and make sure that your hands are clean before doing this. Then get a cuticle pusher. Make sure it's also clean. Use a rubbing or isopropyl alcohol to disinfect it. Then push back your cuticles gently. Then I use OMG snipper to cut and remove the hangnails. You can skip this part if you don't have any hangnails. Be careful in doing this, don't pull it off, you have to cut it. And that's the end of my nail care routine. So now I'm using a paper towel to remove the oil from my nails. As you can see, there's still cuticle oil left on my nails. And you really have to remove the remaining oil on your nails so that the base coat you'll apply will adhere better. So now I'm applying a small amount of acetone on a Q-tip. And now it's ready to be painted with base coat. For today, I'm using OMG's peel-off base coat. Then let that first coat dry. Now I'm applying a second coat. Then let it to dry completely. Now select a base color you want. I'm applying one coat of white nail polish. See to it that you're applying a not so thick or not so thin amount of polish. Then seal the tips of your nails. If you accidentally applied it onto your skin, get a cleanup brush dipped in acetone and brush it off gently. Then let the first coat to dry. Then after that, apply another coat. And let it dry completely. Then do a nail art you wanted, or you can just leave it this way. Now let's move on to the top coat. I always use Bobbi's Extreme Gloss Gel Top Coat by Chic Centre. It's because it has a thick consistency, it has a wide brush, and it dries very glossy. And it doesn't need a UV or LED lamp to dry. Before applying top coat, make sure that your nail art is 100% dry. Now here's how I apply Bobbi's Extreme Gloss Gel Top Coat. I apply just right amount of it, making the top coat to glide on my nail instead of the brush itself. Then, never forget to apply the top coat on the tips of the nails. And that's it. Before this video comes to an end, let me share to you more tips to prevent your nail art from chipping. If you have long nails, make sure you don't use them on peeling off stuffs, just like peeling off stickers. Don't use them on pushing buttons. You can use your knuckles as an alternative. Or prevent tapping your nails on a desk, and make sure that you don't soak your hands in water that long. Apply another layer of top coat onto your nail art after 3 or 4 days will also help prevent chipping. If you have more tips and tricks that you want to share that I forgot to mention in this video, leave it on the comment section below. I hope this video helps you to prolong the life of your nail art. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!